I'm Kaleeswaran. I am a student at Strate School of Design. I'm a year one here. I used to sketch a lot of cars in my childhood. So while I was searching up all these streams, I stumbled upon Car Design World. It was a website, and that basically started my journey. I just researched my way into like car design and everything, and then I started doing Blender and Photoshop, like photo bashing in 11th or 12th grade, and I just got into Strate like that. I've been here for around 8-10 months, that's all, and it's been very fun till as long as I've been here. The faculty here are very experienced. Earlier, it would be just sketch randomly and then just do whatever came to my mind. But then here you're taught to like follow a process, like a proper process, and that is way more efficient in doing a project than just doing it normally. So initially I didn't even know that the whole SIAM thing existed. Me and my friends were just having dinner at a place, and he told me about SIAM's existence and like the whole ADC thing. So I found out about it more online. Karthikeyan asked me to go completely crazy with the prompt. I first wanted to do like an enthusiast vehicle for India, but that didn't really work out. And at the same time, like my dad, he always saw my projects and said, do LCVs. So I thought, yeah, I could just do this, and I found this concept of modularity in LCVs to be very unique. So I took up that approach and I built up on it. I did face some challenges during the second round, especially making the whole model. It's like this big, the model. It's around it's around 800 millimeters long, and all these had to be carved by hand, except the wheels. So it was a very big challenge to get all these blocks right. Just finishing this whole thing was a major task for us. I just came into this college like 8 months ago, and being a year one, and when I got selected, I wasn't even 18. So when I got finalisted into SIAM, it was a really big achievement for me, and it really gave me a confidence boost. Seeing the way Strate has like taught me things, I'm very confident about my career.